Hi, I want you to meet Ted and Julie. They have 2 children and have owned their home for 11 years. Ted and Julie, like most people, purchased their power from a coal-burning electric company. Each month, they waste $100 to $300 on their home's electric bill. That's over $2,000 per year on average. And every single year, this amount has increased since buying their home and will continue to increase forever. So instead of taking that family vacation to Disneyland every year, they're essentially burning that money while polluting the earth. But what if it didn't have to be like that? What if they could permanently lower their power bill, own their power themselves while avoiding the increasing electricity prices from the power company, increase the value of their home, and take that additional trip every year with the savings, all without putting any money down? Now, I probably know what you're thinking. That sounds way too good to be true. But in all reality, it's not. Because with the help of Momentum Solar, Ted and Julie did just that. After going solar, they have now reduced their total energy bill by over 50%, $1,100 per year. They've avoided the increasing electricity prices from the power company. Their home value has increased by $19,000, and they just got back from their family trip to Disneyland. And because they had an okay credit score of 650 plus, they've invested no money down. Ted and Julie are very happy with their decision to go solar with Momentum Solar. Why? Because with over 15,000 homeowners helped, Momentum Solar has the process down to an exact science. From the second you decide to learn more, you will be helped by a true professional. No used car salesman here. And when you do decide to save potentially hundreds of dollars per month on your power bill, just know that we use some of the highest quality panels on the market with a very high efficiency rating, great aesthetics, and an incredibly long warranty in the off chance that anything should ever go wrong. Also, unlike other companies around, you won't be waiting months on end for your panels to be installed. This is due to the fact that we're not just a solar sales company, but the entire process, from this video to installation to maintenance 20 years later, takes place in-house. We also have some of the best online reviews and testimonials in the solar industry. Take a look for yourself. And as the fastest growing solar company in the country, you don't have to worry about your solar provider going out of business and leaving you helpless, like the unfortunate situation for far too many homeowners who decided to go solar with a smaller company. So if you're ready to learn more and see if your home qualifies to go solar and save 50% on your energy bill, then click the button below, fill out the survey, and we'll be in contact soon to give you all the information you need to make the best decision regarding your home's energy bill, saving money, and the planet. We look forward to guiding you through the process of cashing in on the massive benefits of owning your electricity by going solar. Click the button below, and we look forward to helping you soon.